What if scientists could recreate conditions from the very first moments of the universe? Not millions of years after the Big Bang, but just microseconds after it happened. That is exactly what researchers at the Large Hadron Collider have been studying. Today's newspaper reported a remarkable breakthrough in particle physics. Scientists have discovered the smallest known droplet of quark-gluon plasma that still behaves like a liquid. The findings were published in the prestigious journal Physical Review Letters, and the discovery could help us understand how the universe was born. But first, what exactly is quark-gluon plasma? Scientists believe that immediately after the Big Bang, the universe was unimaginably hot and dense. During those first few microseconds, matter as we know it did not exist. Instead, the universe was filled with a strange state called quark-gluon plasma. In this state, quarks and gluons moved freely instead of being trapped inside protons and neutrons. Think of it as the original cosmic soup from which all matter eventually formed. To recreate these conditions, researchers used the Large Hadron Collider, the world's most powerful particle accelerator. Until now, scientists mostly used collisions involving massive lead nuclei to create quark-gluon plasma. But this time, they tried something much smaller. They collided oxygen nuclei. The expectation was that such a tiny system might be too small to behave like a liquid. But the results surprised everyone. Researchers observed energy loss among quarks and gluons after the collisions. This energy loss indicated the presence of a dense medium behaving like a liquid. In simple terms, scientists found that even an incredibly tiny droplet could still flow like a liquid. The newspaper highlighted that this discovery pushes the known lower limit of how small a liquid can be. And that has major implications for fundamental physics. The experiment also helped scientists understand one of nature's most important forces, the strong nuclear force. This force holds the nuclei of atoms together and is responsible for binding quarks inside particles. Researchers are now trying to answer a fascinating question. At what exact point does matter stop behaving like individual particles and start behaving like a fluid? The newspaper noted that future experiments may provide even deeper insights into the origin and evolution of matter in the universe. The biggest question now, if scientists can recreate conditions from the first moments after the Big Bang, what other secrets about the birth of the universe are still waiting to be discovered? Because every new particle experiment brings humanity one step closer to understanding where everything came from. Stay curious, stay informed, and follow for more science and current affairs explainers every day.